Hello and welcome to another day at Corey's Garage. Today, it's time to put the motor down in that truck right there. Got the old 402 sitting over here. I got to change one more freeze plug that I didn't get to. Stick a plug in, swap the motor mounts. I got to do this freeze plug right there. And yeah, that's what we're working on today. We got to get the motor sit down in there so I can get this project rolling. All right, so I'm gonna install the starter, some of the bracketry that goes on this, give it a quick once over, make sure there's nothing that I've left. Oh, I still gotta change this plug. That's gonna be my next move. So I'm just really trying to think about everything I think I'm gonna need. And that's looking pretty darn good. So we're gonna slide over here. The new engine mounts are installed because the old ones are just wallered out. They're factory original. So got those in place. Got our jack underneath the transmission. I've went ahead and taken a wire brush and cleaned these flanges on the exhaust because I do not deal with leaks. Taking account on some of the hoses that I'm going to change out. Like we have two of these rubber lines for the trans cooler. So I think they run up in the cooler, then they come back around and go through the radiator. So I'm gonna change those out. Probably the fuel pump on. I think I can get it in there without that. But yeah, so the truck's ready to accept the motor. So now I've got to dig the box of parts out and pull the engine over here and try to get this. All right, go ahead and let it down. This thing is fastened. What's up, kiddo? Just 1 second. Take it out, man. The motor mount bolts are in. The transmission's attached. Yeah, you have to tighten that cylinder. Oh, okay, it just fell right out. You can tighten your cylinder back up, Connor, and then jack it up where we can pull this stand out. That's as good as installed. Now as time permits, we can bolt parts on as we have free time. And this truck should be back on the road pretty quickly. Keep going, keep going. All right. I'm gonna step on over everything. Cool. Mission accomplished. And if you'd like to see more with this old truck, hit the like, make a comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I believe the next one I'll have it running.